English-Bosnian to be versus
biti.
welcome. Hey, this podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to laugh and learn? Picture Hamlet at a cafe debating pastry or no pastry, to be or not to be. Then the barista whispers, in Bosnian it's
Biti.
and yes, it comes with coffee. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll handle the core, to be, forms. Say them out loud with me. To be.
Biti.
I am.
Ja sam.
You're, singular, informal.
Ti si.
He is.
On je.
She is.
Ona je.
It is, that is.
To je.
We are.
Mi smo.
You're, plural, formal.
Vi ste.
They are.
Oni su.
Quick forms, big laughs. Repeat after me. Say it like you're talking to a friend. Introduce yourself.
Ja sam.
Alex. Now swap the name to yours. Compliment a buddy.
Ti si.
Awesome. Point at a photo of a guy.
On je.
Hilarious. Point at a photo of a woman.
Ona je.
Smart. Tap the right object.
To je.
The one. High five your team.
Mi smo.
Ready. Address the group.
Vi ste.
Fantastic. Cheer for others.
Oni su.
The winners. And the core idea, to be, is.
Biti.
Easy. Mini dialogues. Tiny scenes, big clarity. Listen, then echo. A. Who's at the door? B.
To je.
Marco. A. Where's the coach? B.
On je.
In the locker room. A. Who's our guide? B.
Ona je.
From Sarajevo. A. Are we late? B. Nope.
Mi smo.
On time. A. Team, are you ready? B. Yes.
Vi ste.
Loud and proud. A. And those people? B.
Oni su.
Our classmates. A. Identity check. B.
Ja sam.
Hungry, snack break soon? Rhythm drill. Clap or tap. We're building muscle memory. Beat 1 to 2.
Ja sam.
I am. Beat 1 to 2.
Ti si.
You're, singular. Beat 1 to 2.
On je.
Slash.
Ona je.
He is, she is. Beat 1 to 2.
To je.
It is. Beat 1 to 2.
Mi smo.
We are. Beat 1 to 2.
Vi ste.
You're, plural. Beat 1 to 2.
Oni su.
They are. Final hit, to be is.
Biti.
Culture tip. Use your new words out in the world, friendly, clear, and fun. At a market, point and smile.
To je.
Cheese? Expect a grin and maybe a sample. On game day, you'll hear chants like
Mi smo.
Zamajevi. When introducing yourself, keep it simple.
Ja sam.
Plus your name. Pay a compliment 1-to-1.
Ti si.
Super. Politely to a group.
Vi ste.
Shajni. And when you spot your friends arriving together.
Oni su.
Here. Lightning quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the solution after a short pause. How do you say to be in Bosnian?
Biti.
Translate I am.
Ja sam.
Translate you are, singular, informal.
Ti si.
Translate it is.
To je.
Translate we are.
Mi smo.
Translate you are, plural, formal.
Vi ste.
Translate they are.
Oni su.
Bonus he is and she is.
On je. Ona je.
Challenge your turn, make it playful and personal. Create 3 true lines about your world.
Ja sam.
Ellipsis single quote comma single quote.
Mi smo.
Ellipsis single quote comma single quote.
Oni su.
Then a dream using the infinitive. Say, I want to be kinder. In Bosnian, put
Biti.
after I want. Record yourself, grin, and do it again tomorrow. Goodbye. Nice work today, you showed up and spoke up. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms daily, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and smiles. See you next time.
To je.
The spirit.